Hi everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita. Today I would like to share my pasta with shrimp and mussels recipe. So come on, cook with Tita and let's go through our ingredients. We have 2 pounds of mussels, 2 pounds of shrimp, 1 pound of fettuccine, 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes with garlic. Yum. Okay? 1 stick of unsalted butter. We're going to use some oil. Any oil will do to saute our ingredients. Today I'm using olive oil. And we're going to use white wine, a good white wine, okay? Any wine that you would like to drink, white wine. Wonderful for seafood, okay? So now we have 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of dry basil, 2 tablespoons or more if you desire of dry parsley, 1 teaspoon of dry dill, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, soy sauce to taste, and also we're going to use white pepper to taste. And for our topping, we're gonna use black truffles, parmesan with garlic. Yum. You know, if you know me, I love garlic. Good for you. 2 spring onions or scallion already washed, okay, and 1 bunch of asparagus already washed, 1 bulb of garlic. Like I said, if you know me, I love garlic, or I like garlic a lot. 1 large onion, 1 lemon, 8 ounces of mushroom, and then we're gonna put salt in our water. So we're gonna salt our water, okay? So anywho, I am going to prepare my ingredients and I'll show you how you put them together, okay? This is how I chop my vegetable. When you prepare your asparagus, I only took the tender part. So what I do is I would go like this, you know, gently like that. So wherever it's tender, that's what you're gonna use, okay? But don't throw these spears because this is good when you're making soup or vegetable stocks, okay? You can put that in a Ziploc and freeze it for later use. That's what I do. Another tips that I would like to give you guys. Anywho, so there you go. We are done with our cutting and everything. Now let's go and put our pasta in the water because it's already boiling. So come on. Okay, let's put 1 tablespoon of salt into our pasta. Pasta water, that is. And we're going to put our pasta in the water. All right. In the water they go. And kind of stir just to kind of give it a, help it to take a bath. Okay, so now we're gonna cook that here until it gets tender while we're doing our sauteing over here. Okay, so preheated pot, already preheated. Now we're going to put oil, about 3 or 4 tablespoons, just enough to saute our yummies, okay? So anywho, we're going to put our garlic. Garlic is in. Squeeze it around. Until the aroma comes out. Alrighty. Okie dokie. Oh man. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so aromas. Oh man, I love that. Okay, so into that we're going to put our onion. Squeeze it around. Our heat should be medium high. Okay, because we're here now. We're throwing down. We're throwing down, guys. Okay, squeeze it around. Okay, just enough to coat your onion with your oil and the aroma, guys. If you just have a smelly vision, oh my goodness. Okay, now to that we're going to, let me see our thing over here. About a minute cooking, we're going to put our mushroom. Let's squeeze it around for maybe 1 minute. Squeeze it around. And let's not forget over here. See, our linguine, you have to kind of give it love also. All right, pay attention to that. Okay, so into that, guys, in the middle. Okay, in the middle. Okay, I would like to put my butter. I didn't put it at first in there because I don't want it to, you know, cook away. All right, let's melt the butter. The butter. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's melted. Oh my goodness. Let's turn this down. I don't want that too high. Medium. Okay, so as you can see, our mushroom and onion is nice and tender. Now we're going to put our tomato sauce. Now squeeze it around for, you know, just squeeze them around, kind of mix it together. Okay, you don't want the tomatoes to be overcooked. You want that intact. Okay, so now we're going to put our wine. 1 cup of wine, white wine that is. Okay. Okay, now to that, guys, you're gonna squeeze it around. Look at that. And then now we're going to put our dry spices and seasoning. Okay, everything, all of that seasoning. Okay, we're gonna squeeze it around. Squeeze it around. Let them kind of introduce them together. Okay, and now we're going to see our pasta over here is getting tender. All right, our pasta is getting tender over there. So over here we're going to put our soy sauce. Now, put your soy sauce to taste, okay? I would have about probably 3 tablespoons for me. That's up to you. I'm gonna put him in here. All right, I'm gonna squeeze him around. Now, our pasta is kind of getting tender, so I would put my asparagus. By the way, guys, the asparagus doesn't take a long time to cook, okay? So, we're gonna put that in here. We're gonna kind of let it take a bath. And then, we are going to put our mussels. Don't dump it because, you know, you might have some water in there. Okay. Oh, by the way, we're putting the seafood in here now, okay? All right. Now we're gonna squeeze them around just to coat our seafood. Okay, and by this time, guys, our thing it's tender already, so we're gonna take him out of there, okay, and put him in here. All right, so before I put my pasta in here, I would like to put my white pepper. Like I said, it's also to taste, okay? That's up to you how much you're gonna put in there. I like it a lot, so I like a lot of this, so you know, so that's up to you. Oh, it's looking good, guys. Okay, so anyway, let me fish out my noodles out of there, or pasta, and we're gonna put them here. Okay, my noodles are in. I'm in, guys, it's in. Okay, so we're gonna have to mix it together. Oh, by the way, when your noodles already in here, turn the heat down, by the way, so medium low, okay? All right, so now, oh yeah, oh my goodness, guys, oh my goodness, the smell, oh, so divine. If you just have smell vision, oh my goodness. Okay, so now we're gonna coat all the ingredients with our sauce. Okay, so toss it around. Okay, toss it like that, toss it. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, now we're gonna have to put our scallion on the top, and then we're gonna toss it one more time, and then we'll put our taste bud to the test. You know what I mean? That's it. Oh man, let me tell you, this is so divine, guys. Divine, let me tell you that much. So divine. So now we're going to put this in a plate, and we're going to taste. Our liquid, guys, is just perfect. Okay, just perfect. Oh my goodness, it is delicious, smelling so delicious, guys, delicious. Oh my goodness. We're going to put some lemon on the top. Just drizzle it. Okay, drizzle the lemon on the top just before you serve it. The citrus and everything, it's just hunky-dory. Now we are going to top it with black truffles. Okay, so that looks good, that looks really good. Okay, so now we're going to see how good, which I know it's really good. Oh my goodness, guys, I wish I can share this with you guys. This is so good. And our asparagus and everything just hunky-dory. Okay, so The moment of truth. Let's try. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my gosh. It is so good. Our tomatoes intact. So yummy. The shrimp is not overcooked. You don't want to overcook your seafood, shrimp, or your mussels. Okay? Because they're gonna be too hard. Yum. Yum. Everything is hunky-dory. Everything. So, let me try my shrimp. Oh my goodness. That is finger licking good. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys like my recipe. This is quick and easy, delicious. Enjoy my recipe, guys. And I will see you again right here in my kitchen. As I always say, bon appetit. Bye.